So we are gonna unbox and Ascend. I think this is Ascend, 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 Aeronautics. This is the one from Costco. It is about $69 something. With it was about $12 off on this one when I bought it. But it says A's 14 plus. I don't know if you can see that. 1080p, high definition camera. Let's see. You can stream it on your phone. As you can see there, it's foldable. Right now in the box it actually has the motors spread out, but you should be able to fold it like that, and we'll see that. Let's see. Pretty interesting that it says altitude hold, meaning it should hold altitude if you make no movements. I think that's what that means. 2.4 gig precision digital. I don't know what that is, but it says remote control, onboard SD camera, onboard SD video, 400 feet range, 4 AAA batteries included, meaning for the remote. I hope the battery on this one should be rechargeable. We'll see. I'm gonna unbox it today, and then some other day we will take it for a flight test. I have not owned a drone before, so I'm really hoping that I can get into flying drones. And before I go buy something expensive, I wanted to start with something that is cheaper, so if I mess up, it's not a big deal. Like I said, this one was, I think, about $59.99 on deal. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. Open it. So they're right here. Says scan the QR code to install the 2000 series app. This is for the app. This is the manual for the drone. So let's open that and see what's in here. Extra fans or blades. Oh, this is so this has a SD card receiver, and then you have a USB on the other end. So this is out of the box, you have that option. So storage device. The batteries, do you see that right here? This is where you charge the batteries. And then the 4 batteries for the remote, I'm guessing. I hope this is probably for the you can hold your phone over here so you can see what's happening with your drone. This probably goes on the remote. All right, so that's your part. So you got a part for the remote control to hold your phone, the batteries, a charging cable, some sort of storage device, and a screwdriver. The batteries, AAA batteries, 4 of them, and then some extra blades, which I'm hoping comes really handy. Set that aside. And then let's go and explore some more. Perfect. Don't worry, I'm not gonna fly. But here is it. Yeah, here you go. This looks like the antenna. This is the receptacle for the battery. There's probably a light of some kind to indicate which way is forward, which way is backward. I think I've seen that before with other drones, where you can tell which way is forward, which way is backward. The same thing here. And the other lights This I assume is also the lights. See, and then I'm gonna get the remote out. It feels light. I'll say it feels cheap. But that's what you expect from a cheaper drone, right? And this is where your SD card goes. Looks like there is a slot over here for the SD card. You can, of course, from what I've seen, you should be able to fold this that way, right? So I think it starts with that one maybe first, and then second, and then, all right, let's do this thing, third, and then fourth coming that way. See that? It is super light. Yeah, I mean, it's a drone, so it should be light to carry its own weight, but it feels definitely very light. So let me go ahead and expand that one. Sorry. Let's go ahead and expand that one, and then that one. I don't know if this is supposed to let the air in so it doesn't heat up, but that's interesting. Take the batteries. Let's see. Take that. And it looks like it goes that way. And then there's the power button right here. I assume that you have to do something in the remote to pair it or it's not going to work. But it's good to see the lights here. You see those lights? And then there is a light at the back. There's light at the bottom. This way forward. This way backward. It looks pretty good. Right now it's been raining out here, so sometime when it gets dry we will go outside and fly, but right now I'm gonna turn it off. Oh, by the way, so this one, there's a little notch over here, so I can do this, but nothing on this side. No, this is stunt, speed, stunt. We'll have to read the manual to find out which ones actually control the drone versus which one controls the camera, if that camera can be controlled from here. But it will be interesting to find out. And it goes that way.